guys to my new video. This is my new channel, Studying is Interesting. Very welcome to you all. And here I am going to start with the second chapter of Science Class 9th, Is Matter Around Us, pure from the book NCERT. So now we will start with this chapter. Earlier we have studied about that what is matter. We have studied about what is matter. Anything which occupies space, has some mass, has mass and size is matter. So in this video we will learn about all the things, only the introduction of this chapter. Here earlier we have studied about the states of matter, solid, liquid and gas. Is all these pure? We will read in this chapter that all the matter, that is matter, is made up of particles. So all are the particles in a matter is same. Here we will study about this. Take an example, milk, water and juice. Are all this pure? Now let's start with this. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about this. When you go for shopping and you see there that here you see the ghee is pure, the milk is pure, the salt is pure, you think, oh, it's pure, कोई मिलावट नहीं है, चलिए हम इसे खरीद लेते हैं. But it's not really pure. It is made up of various substances which are present in that. Now let us check with us and the scientist thinking. When a scientist, it is a mixture of many substances. When we check, oh, it's pure with all substances. Anything which we buy and it is 100% pure, we think that it's 100% pure with all substances present in it. Here, for example, milk. When the scientists check the milk is a mixture of water, fats and proteins. Whereas when we check, what is mixture? Milk plus water, nothing else. Here, when you take milk from the milkman, he says it's 100% pure. But when you go to the scientist, he checks and says, no, it's not 100% pure. Then you get so angry. Then that why the milkman didn't give you the pure milk. But here, understand the topic which is going. Here, the scientist is telling that in milk there are very substances present that are the water, fats and proteins. Now here some introduction is left, we will learn it about. Okay, so here it is it. Everything around us is pure. Everything around is not pure if you are thinking. Everything around is matter, but it's not pure. And we will learn about this in chapter that which things are pure in another video. Till then you learn these and here learn all these things which I have told you now. So let's thank you for watching this video and enjoying this. Please tell my mistakes, and this was my first video, so please tell my mistakes. Thank you so much for watching this video.